A freelancer is a self-employed individual who offers services to clients on a project basis, without being bound by long-term employment contracts. Freelancers work independently and are typically skilled professionals in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, programming, consulting, and more. Here's how freelancing typically works. 1. Skills and expertise. Freelancers possess specific skills and expertise in their respective fields. They often acquire these skills through education, training, or professional experience. They leverage their knowledge and abilities to offer services to clients. 2. Finding clients. Freelancers actively seek clients for their services. They may use various methods to find clients, including networking, referrals, online freelancing platforms, social media, professional websites, or by establishing relationships within their industry. 3. Project negotiation. When a freelancer connects with a potential client, they discuss project details, scope, deadlines, and compensation. Both parties negotiate and agree upon the terms, deliverables, and the fee or rate for the freelancer's services. Contracts may be signed to outline the agreed-upon terms. 4. Project execution. Once the freelancer is hired, they commence the project according to the agreed-upon terms. They work remotely or, in some cases, may work on-site at the client's location. Freelancers use their skills, expertise, and resources to complete the project within the specified time frame. 5. Communication and collaboration. Freelancers maintain regular communication with their clients throughout the project. They may provide progress updates, seek clarification, and address any concerns or questions that arise. Collaboration tools such as email, project management software, video conferencing, and file-sharing platforms facilitate effective communication. 6. Delivering the project. Upon completing the project, freelancers deliver the final work to the client. This can include files, reports, designs, code, or any other deliverables as agreed upon in the project scope. The freelancer ensures the quality and accuracy of their work before submission. 7. Payment and invoicing. Freelancers send invoices or receive payments based on the agreed-upon terms. Payments can be made through various methods, such as direct bank transfers, PayPal, online payment platforms, or other secure payment options. Some freelancers may require partial upfront payment or milestone-based payments. 8. Client relationships and reviews. Building positive client relationships is crucial for freelancers. Satisfied clients may provide testimonials, reviews, or refer the freelancer to others, helping to secure future projects. Maintaining professionalism, delivering high-quality work, and meeting client expectations contribute to building a strong freelance reputation. Freelancing offers several benefits, including flexibility, independence, the ability to choose projects, and the potential to earn a higher income based on skills and demand. However, freelancers also face challenges such as acquiring clients, managing their workload, handling finances, and ensuring a stable income flow. Many freelancers join online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Guru, where they can showcase their skills, bid on projects, and connect with potential clients. These platforms provide a marketplace for freelancers to find work and clients to find freelancers, offering a streamlined process for project management, communication, and payment transactions. It's important for freelancers to manage their time effectively, continuously upgrade their skills, market their services, and maintain professionalism to succeed in the competitive freelance market. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.